We've already learned how to select vertices, edges and faces. Simply click right on a vertex, hold shift and press on another vertex. Now I've selected all these vertices and the face. This is an edge. Now I've selected also an edge. Or a plane again. You're also able to move these planes or edges by clicking on the arrows, like you did with an object. I can move a single vertex or an edge just the way I like. The next point is extrusion. Extrusion is really important to make your object bigger, to add new faces. I'll just select an edge, which means that I'm selecting two vertices, and now I press E. I'll extrude only the edges. Now you can see that I've created a new face from these edges. You see that I can move them along. And when I press left mouse button, it stays there. I'm also able to select a face and press E to extrude the whole region. Now I've created a box from the face. This tool is really useful, so you will use it a lot. One problem we have is when extruding faces, the whole new face moves along with your mouse, but you're not really able to set it to a certain point. Now we use movement like we did before with the object by pressing Y, and now it's set to the Y-axis, and now I can only move it along on the Y-axis. It's the same with X. This wouldn't make sense, as you can see, or Z. Now I move this face along on this edge along on the Z-axis. You can also extrude the vertex by pressing E. It automatically gets extruded, and when you press Z, you can move it along on the Z-axis. Merging and connecting vertices. Next step is merging, which also is really important. By merging, we delete an edge or a vertex. We are able to merge two vertices into each other. I've selected two vertices, and now I press W and hit merge. And I will merge it at the second selected vertex when I hit at last. It removes the vertex and both get merged into the last selected vertex. Now I've selected vice versa, this one first and this one as a second, and when I hit W and merge, I now select at first, and we've created a ramp from our box. We are also able to merge these ones into each other. This one. The next point is building faces, which also is really important when you select at least 3 vertices, second and third, and then press F. You're able to create a new face. You simply have to select at least 3 vertices, and then you're able to create a face. You're also able to select more than 3 faces. When you hit F, you've created another face. It's as simple as that. Simply select vertices and then you are able to create face. Now when I go out of editing mode by pressing tabulator, the whole object is selected and you're able to move it along or scale it up and down. Go back into editing mode, and when I now select an edge and then S, I'm able to scale this edge like I did with the whole object. By pressing right mouse button you can cancel scaling. By pressing left mouse button you apply it. Those are all the tools you need to create level geometry.